How to create a Gemini Exchange account. First of all, open the app on your device and you will see two options. Create a free account and sign in. Select Create a free account to get started. Next, select your location and language, then tap on the Continue button. After that, enter your email address and tap Continue. Now create a unique and strong password, then tap on Create Account. Gemini will send the verification code to your email. Open your email, find the code and enter it in the app to verify your email. Once verified, you will be asked to create a passkey using Face ID, fingerprint or a PIN for added security. Then enter your mobile number and hit Continue. You will receive a 7-digit verification code on your phone. Enter the code in the app. After entering the code, your Gemini account will be successfully created and you are ready to start using the exchange for buying, selling or trading crypto. Now you know how to create a Gemini exchange account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.